The career criminal charged with setting a woman on fire aboard a Chicago train will remain behind bars until his trial. The decision coming as prosecutors reveal Lawrence Reed has been arrested 72 times. Here to react, Fox News contributor and criminal defense attorney Donna Rotunno. It's great to see you again since tree lighting last night, Donna.
Good to see you.
This case is unbelievable. 72 arrests, time and time again. What is your sense of where this is headed?
So, first of all, I think this is an absolute commentary on the mental health crisis we have in this country. We have 72 arrests. We have the criminal justice system not being able to do anything about it. And then we have the lawmakers and the politicians not keeping the citizens safe from this problem. My take on this is that finally someone has stepped in and said he needs to be in custody. I understand that being in custody is not going to solve his mental health crisis. However, the rest of us should not be in danger because of it. So there really needs to be a reckoning about how we figure those things out.
Particularly for an individual who has a predisposition for violence, like this guy, Lawrence Reed, and 72 arrests. You look at many of the things, aggravated assault, aggravated arson, 2 counts of battery, the list goes on and on. But I want to dig into the fact that you are so familiar. This is your backyard. Yeah. This is Chicago. And one of the quotes that stood out, just really startling to me, was the Cook County Judge, Teresa Molina Gonzalez, who says this, quote, "I can't keep everybody in jail because the state's attorney wants me to."
Well, first of all, that is a commentary on the problem with the no cash bail law in Illinois. And the judge's comment, and the problem with that comment is it's not about what the state's attorney wants. It's about what justice requires. It is about what is required to keep all of us safe. The state's attorney makes that request because they see the 72 arrests. They see the background. They see that he was charged with assaulting a worker at the hospital where he was getting treated. So the state's attorney has a right to ask for that, and the judge is supposed to be weighing, under our statute, the danger to society. And clearly, there is a danger to society when there is a history of this behavior. So the problem with that comment is that it isn't about what the state's attorney wants. It's about what the judge is supposed to do. And the problem we have today is that judges are really not jurists in many situations. They are becoming activists, and I think that's what we're seeing here.
Yeah, it's unbelievable. Let me change gears real quick, though, because you have led our coverage here on Fox News about this tragic cruise ship teenager, Anna Kepner, found dead with a family. Now suspect appears to be the stepbrother. What's your take of where we are with that case?
So just a horrible situation all the way around. I mean, the fact that it was a seemingly domestic-related incident should make other people on cruises feel safe, that it was not some random act of violence. But at the same time, this is such a sad story for this fractured family. And all of these questions are going to arise from this. Why were they alone in a room together? And now there's some talk out there that they had some strange relationship. And why did the parents allow for this? And what did the parents know before the body was found? And did stepmom know from her son that something happened? So it sounds like they're talking about it may be an asphyxiation, so that maybe they got in an argument, maybe he strangled, who knows? And could it have been an accident and didn't mean for it to happen? So I think there's going to be a lot of questions here. And given the fact that this person is a minor, it's really going to change the way we can talk about it.
And just so tragic, a lot of questions indeed.
Yes.
Donna Rotunno, thank you for being here this morning.
Thanks, Griff.
All right. Stick around. More Fox and Friends next.
I'm Steve Ducey.
I'm Brian Kilmeade.
And I'm Ainsley Earhart. And click here to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page to catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis.